Carrots are one of the most recognizable and widely consumed root vegetables on the planet. Known for their bright orange color and crunchy texture, carrots are as nutritious as they are versatile. They grow underground, developing their flavor and nutrients directly from the soil. The journey of a carrot begins with seed selection. Carrot seeds are tiny and require well-tilled loose soil to grow straight and healthy. Farmers choose varieties based on climate, maturity time, and desired root shape. Carrot plantations thrive in cool climates with full sunlight. Ideal temperatures range between 15 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. They require deep, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Soil preparation is crucial for carrot success. Rocks and compact soil can cause roots to split or fork. Farmers plow and level the field to ensure smooth root growth. Sowing is typically done directly into the field. Seeds are spread in rows and lightly covered with soil. Germination takes between 1 and 3 weeks, depending on the variety and conditions. Carrots need consistent watering, especially in the early stages. Too much or too little water can deform the roots. Drip irrigation is commonly used for efficiency and uniform growth. Thinning is a necessary step in carrot cultivation. As seedlings emerge, farmers remove weaker plants to prevent overcrowding. Proper spacing allows each carrot room to grow straight and strong. Organic farming methods are, becoming more and more popular for carrots. Compost, crop rotation, and natural pest control all help to reduce chemical usage. These practices, they really do preserve soil health and biodiversity. Pests, like carrot rust flies and diseases such as leaf blight, can seriously threaten crops. So, farmers use integrated pest management, or IPM, to reduce chemical dependency. Row covers and natural deterrents are actually part of this sustainable approach. Harvesting carrots is both rewarding and, honestly, quite delicate. Farmers either pull the roots manually or use mechanical harvesters, making sure the tops aren't damaged. The timing of harvest, believe it or not, influences the flavor, sweetness, and size. After harvest, carrots are washed, sorted, and graded. High-quality carrots are packed for markets, while others may be processed into juice, puree, or frozen goods. Proper storage extends shelf life and preserves quality. Nutritionally, carrots are a powerhouse. They are rich in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in the body. This helps support vision, immune health, and skin regeneration. Carrots are also high in fiber, which aids digestion and supports a healthy gut. They contain antioxidants that may reduce the risk of certain diseases. Plus, they're low in calories and naturally sweet. Carrot juice is, a popular health drink. It's often blended with fruits or ginger for added benefits. Regular consumption can boost energy and skin health. Beyond orange, carrots come in many colors: purple, yellow, red, and white. Each variety has unique nutrients and flavor profiles. These colorful carrots are making a comeback in gourmet and health food circles. Purple carrots contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that may reduce inflammation. Yellow carrots have lutein, which is good for eye health. Red carrots contain lycopene, a heart-healthy compound also found in tomatoes. The Nantes variety is, really well known for its sweetness and distinctive cylindrical shape. Imperator carrots, on the other hand, are longer and are typically preferred for commercial production. Danvers are ideal for home gardens, mostly because of their hardiness. Baby carrots, interestingly, are not actually a variety, but a processed form. They're shaped from larger carrots and sold mainly for convenience. However, some true miniature varieties do exist, especially for gourmet use. Carrots are grown all over the world. China, the United States, and Russia are, in fact, the top producers. Local varieties have adapted to different soils and climates over centuries. In many cultures, carrots are used in traditional medicine. In Ayurveda, they're believed to boost digestion and strengthen immunity. Some remedies even include carrots for liver and kidney health. Carrots are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be eaten raw, roasted, steamed, juiced, or baked into cakes. Their natural sweetness complements both savory and sweet dishes. You know, carrot tops are actually edible and quite nutritious. Even though they're often discarded, they can totally be used in things like pestos, soups, or even salads. They're packed with potassium, calcium, and vitamin C. Carrot farming really does support rural livelihoods all around the world. From small family gardens to those large-scale plantations, carrots are a valuable crop. Their relatively short growing cycle means farmers can actually harvest them multiple times in a single year. As the global demand for healthy plant-based foods keeps growing, carrots are definitely in high demand. Their adaptability, storability, and nutritional value make them a strategic crop in the ongoing fight against food insecurity. By supporting carrot production, we help strengthen both local and global food systems. So in conclusion, carrots are much more than just crunchy snacks. They really are a symbol of healthy living and agricultural resilience. With their colorful varieties, impressive health benefits, and worldwide cultivation, carrots are a true superfood. From soil to table, the humble carrot continues to nourish the world.